keep an eye on Roxy. He's looking for lunch. You're not gonna get her. So don't even try. You tell him. You tell him. You tell him. He just got here. Oh my goodness. You tell him. Yeah, you tell him. She's letting everybody know. Don't be coming up here. Say, get off my lawn. Yeah, get off my lawn. I'm a grumpy old woman. You get off my lawn. Oh my goodness, you tell him. You tell him, Roxy. You warn all those people. Why is your tail under you? Come on, Miss Brave Girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is it? I don't see the eagle. I don't see the eagle. We don't need to worry about the eagle. Yeah, we don't need to worry. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. What is up? What is it? Whoa. Whoa, you vicious dog. Oh, you vicious dog. Are you barking at the bird? Oh, it's that. We've got a runner. Do you think I can walk this plank? It's a balancing beam. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is where the trouble begins. What do you think? I could do it? I can't do it while I'm holding the camera. Roxy, can you hold the camera for me? I'll pay you. I've got little extra treats. Okay, let's try this. Let's put Roxy on here. She's really good at balancing herself. Where are you going? Runaway wiener. Oh, okay, okay. 2 steps. Let's do 3 this time. Oh boy, and I'm holding my keys and my phone. This is not smart. 1, 2. I'm not very. Oh, 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 I better go back. Roxy, where are you going? That's somebody else's camp. We already met them. It blows me away that it's past 8:30 and it's still as bright as it is. The sun doesn't set till I think 9:30 here. It'll set over that little hill, but still stays pretty bright. kinds of little critters are in here. Someone was exhausted. She's like, oh, you left? Oh, well, I already ate, so I'm not worried about you. Would you ever guess that it's 9:30 at night? It's just, I mean, I love it. It's so bright out. People are still out on the lake. 9:30. I mean, we're in for the night. I've got my water heating up, so I'm getting ready to take a shower and call it a night. But for some people, it's just the beginning. Not this old lady. No, thank you. And it's funny, there's bugs out there. They're like little gnats, but they don't even bother you. I was out there for a while and they don't bother you. They kind of stay in their own little groups. There's no mosquitoes, which are my nemesis. Yeah, this is really nice. I think I'm gonna stay here a week. It's rare that I find a place that I like so much that I stay a week, but you're allowed to stay here 7 days, so I'm gonna take full advantage.